to finish up our study of algebraic limits, we're going to look at two special trig limits. They are the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x and the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine x over x. Both of those yield 0 over 0 if you just substitute the 0 in. But people have found, and I'm guessing you'll just take my word for it, that something called the squeeze theorem proves to us that this one actually equals 1. So the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x equals 1. Whereas this guy, the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine x over x equals 0. Got it?
Awesome.
Okay, there's a third one that your book technically doesn't give you, but I think it's worth going ahead and learning. It's also true that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of any number times x divided by any number times x always equals those two numbers divided. So we just say sine of ax over bx. And that limit as x approaches 0 is always a over b. I think it's well worth going ahead and memorizing that. So for example, if we want to find a limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 4x over 5x, the answer should be 4/5. Yeah. If you tried direct substitution, you would get sine of 0, which is 0, over 0, you would get 0 over 0. But by this guy right here, we know that this is equal to 4/5, and we don't have to waste any time trying to figure it out. And that wraps up algebraic limits.